All right, welcome back to another episode of Blind Boxes and Bags. And today we're going to open Suicide Squad Mystery Minis, a Hot Topic exclusive. Bryce, will you throw me one of those real quick? That way I can show the camera up close. All right. So we got all of these guys. If this thing could focus, that'd help. The exclusives are the Enchantress Black, Joker without a shirt on, showing off his tats, and Joker with a suit on. So let's get to ripping. Bryce, you ready? Let's start over, man.
I got all from over here.
Yeah.
You're on the floor.
You gotta keep it interesting.
Yeah. I don't throw it back someday.
Why don't you get your stuff up on the table, Bryce, so everybody can see? The bag that you're opening, buddy.
This bag?
Who do you got?
Oh,
We got a Deadshot with his mask on. Awesome. Will Smith's character. Got Rick Flag. How do they look so far?
pretty good. My favorite is this one so far.
Yeah, the Deadshot with the sniper rifle.
Yeah. Ow.
Ooh, the enchant. Oh, wait. What is that? Harley Quinn.
Is it?
Well, that might be some sort of chase figure or something. It looks a little different from the one on the box anyway.
No.
A Joker with a suit?
Yeah, this is.
Well, them two are dating. They look nice.
This is one of the. I thought it's
Exclusives, yep. Good job, handsome. How do those boxes get on the ground?
I don't know.
We got our first duplicate. But at least it's my favorite character.
Joker's mine.
Joker's your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah. I could see that. The color and their detail is pretty cool, ain't it?
Yeah. How Joker really had the color.
Yeah. Are these bobblehead or?
Nope. No, my bubble.
Ooh, another Harley Quinn. It's got a baseball bat.
You can say
Oh,
that.
she's not. It's okay, buddy. Just lay her down in front of. Yep, that's fine. Great job. So we had 13 random boxes that we bought. They had what I thought was a full case, but didn't quite work out because they had some things that I think they were taken back from other stores because they weren't all Hot Topic exclusives. Oh, we got Katana.
She's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
She has the sword.
Who's your favorite so far? Joker?
Yeah.
If you had to take one guess, what do you think Katana's sword's called? What kind of sword is it?
A regular sword?
Okay. Is there any chance that it could be called a katana?
Maybe.
Oh, you got a Deadshot with the mask off.
Oh. I didn't know. I didn't see the Deadshot Masked off.
Yeah.
I didn't know that was the same person.
I'm hoping to get a Diablo.
Yeah.
He's probably my favorite character. Had a pretty cool story in the movie.
Yeah. Another Joker.
That one looks different than what's on the box.
Yeah, I think. Did you say there two, like.
Well, there's one with a shirt off and there's one with a suit, but that one's got another kind of suit on.
Yeah, I thought you said there was like the two different kind of boxes.
Yeah, there is. There's Hot Topic exclusives
right
and
here.
some from a store. Huh. Cool.
Don't look like there is any high tech exclusive in this one.
Yeah, I don't know if that's just normal retail or whatever.
Maybe. And we got another Joker.
And that's the one showing off the tats?
Yep.
Sweet.
So we mostly got all the high tech.
So far we're missing a Killer Croc we haven't seen yet.
But
Or the Enchantress Black we haven't seen.
this is probably the first time we got pretty near almost all the high tech exclusives.
Yeah. And we're missing Diablo. I think I'm missing him more than you are. Got my fingers crossed for Diablo. Another Rick Flag. Is that right? Yep.
Yep.
Just line him up right behind him. Might be able to trade somebody for my Diablo guy. We got another.
Shoot to kill?
Oh, another headshot?
Yeah.
Without a
headshot.
mask? Is this one a Hot Topic exclusive box? Yep. So we got a chance to get Enchantress Black.
Yeah. Or your favorite guy. It almost looks like it glows up in the dark.
Yeah, it does. It's like translucent.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
The same thing as the
So we
glow.
got 4 different Jokers.
Yeah. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm pretty happy.
I'm going to unmount this and we're going to check some of these out. All right. Yeah, I don't know if that's a glow in the dark. It looks like it, huh?
Yeah. My
All spiffied up.
two favorite is the Jokers and these guys right here.
Oh, the headshot?
Yeah.
All right. If you had to pick one, B-Mike,
What would it be?
which one would it be? Lift it up and show it to the camera. That guy?
Yeah.
Glow in the dark Joker? Awesome. Good pick.
Did
Well,
it count for all the Jokers?
yeah. Alright. Put that gold Harley Quinn by that glow in the dark Joker. Well, for the camera to see, handsome. Those are very cool looking. Alright. Well, thank you for watching this video of Suicide Squad Mystery Mini Hot Topic exclusive open. Hope you enjoyed. It looks like we got some goodies. Like and comment, subscribe, and do you have any questions that you could have somebody answer?
Nope.
You can't think of one question. Alright. Our question of the video is, which one of these is your favorite? Comment below.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.